Deviations of the hind limb and clinical management in cattle. So posture is the relation of extremities of the fetus in relation to its trunk. Extremities meaning the head, neck and legs. During pregnancy, they're meant to be flexed, and during birth, they're extended. In the hind limb, it can happen in both legs or one leg, and the problems are hock flexion and hip flexion. Overall, it's more difficult to reposition, and you need more space and more external power. You need to correct this problem fast to avoid asphyxia, which means no oxygen. And double-sided is more common in heifers. For hock flexion, the types are advanced, invaded, and jammed or wedged under the pecten. For the diagnosis, it's easy. The tubercalcinae is under the pecten and it looks like hip flexion. For the prognosis, it's good, especially in the case of a small fetus or short legs. It can be bad if the hock is stuck in the pelvis, in the case of foals. For the non-bloody method, you push the leg back and you extend the leg. You can use this with your hand or a jonk snare. If the hock is under the pecten, you need to put the dam in dorsal recumbency and then have the hind limb elevated. And then the bloody method is a partial fetotomy. For hip flexion, it occurs mostly in calves. For the diagnosis, the pelvis of the calf is on the pecten. For the non-bloody method, if it's a small fetus, you can extract it using a sake lumbar snare. Or you can use your hand or a chain or another type of snare. Using the bloody method, you can do a partial fetotomy or the Obermeyer ankle hook.